Hola, buona dia. I'm Hans Lysglimt. I'm the administrator of the Gran Canaria page you're watching right here on Facebook. And I just arrived in Gran Canaria 2 days ago, and I'm going to be here for a couple of weeks to spend some time with friends, get some exercise, get some sunshine. It's lovely sunshine. Today is Friday, November 27th, 2009, and I'm down here in the south in Maspalomas, hanging out with friends, and just arrived, spent yesterday in the sunshine, and now I'm doing this video, just telling you folks what I'm up to, what the page is up to, what we're doing. As you can see, we're closing in on 10,000 fans on the Gran Canaria fan page, and that's pretty good. So we're reaching a lot of people. And as you can see, I've made about 20 other groups that's related to different things in Gran Canaria. We just launched a group yesterday for the football team in Las Palmas. So UD, go UD. And we have groups for many of the countries that people come from to Gran Canaria: Norway, Sweden, Denmark, the UK, Germany. And you will find links for all of that on the side of the video here on the Facebook page. So please do join these groups. Also, my particular interest is in internet marketing, and we are going to do next week an internet marketing meetup somewhere in Gran Canaria, probably up in Las Palmas. I'm heading up to Las Palmas next week to see some friends there. So if you are interested in internet marketing or want to get into internet marketing, I suggest you join the Gran Canaria Internet Marketing Group and meet up for the meetup that we're doing next week to just informally discuss what we can do. Of course, I'm down here in the south in Maspalomas, and I'm doing a deal. I'm working with Dunas Hotels and Resorts, a great Gran Canaria company and a success story, a Canarian success story. And I'm hoping that they will let me stay in one of their resorts now for a couple of weeks, and I will come down every year and pretty much stay in the Dunas resorts because it's such a great concept, and I like it so much. So we'll see if that happens. I'm also looking to rent a car to go around and drive around the island. If anyone have anything exciting going on, any boat excursions or going up in the mountains or any parties or anything, please do drop me an email. My email address is right here below here. And I promise that I will continue to work on the Gran Canaria page and lots of great Canaria stuff on these pages. There's a Twitter account now on Canary Islands and many other things. So keep in touch and follow up on the Gran Canaria page on Facebook.